Here's a saying I live by: the fortune is in the follow up. If you think your webinar ends when the cameras turn off, think again. The real work and where the true transformation happens begins in the follow up. That's where you nurture leads, build relationships, and ultimately convert attendees into customers. Let me show you how to make the most of this critical phase. Hi everyone, welcome back to Rao Decode. This is Manesh. If you've been following along, we've been talking a lot about webinars and how they can transform your business. But today, I want to talk about what happens after the webinar, the follow up. This is where you can truly maximize your return on investment. The follow up isn't just about sending one email and hoping for the best, it's about building relationships, providing value, and guiding your attendees toward becoming loyal customers. Let's walk through a powerful follow-up sequence you can start using right away. Right after the webinar, send a thank you email. Make sure to include a link to the replay and any offer or bonuses you promised during the webinar. This helps keep the engagement going and gives attendees the chance to revisit key points. Next, send out a quick survey. This is your chance to gather feedback. Find out what resonated with your audience, where you can improve, and identify any pain points. This insight will help you make your future webinars even better. Create a series of follow-up emails that continue to deliver value. Address common questions, offer additional insights, and remind the attendees of the benefits of your product or service. This sequence keeps you top of mind and moves leads further down the funnel. Now, reward your attendees with something special, whether it's a discount, early access to new product, or an exclusive offer just for them. This creates a sense of urgency and make them feel valued. Don't forget to follow up on other channels through targeted advertising. Run retargeting ads across digital media platforms to remind attendees about your offer and influence their decision making. This is also one of our key offerings, and I will share a video on this soon. Finally, for high potential leads, take the extra step of reaching out personally. Whether it's a personalized email or a phone call, this one-on-one engagement can make all the difference in closing the deal. Remember, the follow-up isn't just about selling. It's about building relationships and continuing to provide value. Be genuine, be helpful, and be persistent, and you'll see the results. Consistently invest time and energy into your follow-up strategy, and I promise you'll maximize your return on investment from every webinar you host. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on growing your business. And let me know in the comments what's your biggest challenge with webinar follow-ups, and I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.